Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a follow-up video on my carburetor cleaning video that I made. Toro Recycler lawnmower, 6.5 liter, or sorry, worked on too many cars, 6.5 horsepower. Would be a very strong lawnmower. So obviously the blade's going to be the same in any lawnmower, but in the same location. Basically with this one, it's just that one bolt that's sitting on here. Honestly, not sure if it's a bolt or a nut yet. I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, assuming that clockwise is the way the engine is going to be spinning. So I don't want to, spin. It's not going to do anything that way. Go ahead and grab a piece of wood. Doesn't even have to be as big. Block off the blade and then just start turning. I started with a breaker bar. Found out really quickly this is not gonna take it. So have a breaker bar maybe or a pipe nearby just to put on the end of your ratchet, but this should come out pretty easily. And then go ahead and grab your new blade. Maybe stick it in here. Just make sure that it actually is the length it should be, and so it's not hitting the edge, or you're definitely not gonna want to try to put it in. This is a mulching lawnmower, so I'm gonna assume these bits here are the edge or the mulching side, and then this is the blade obviously on this edge. And to me, I bought this off Amazon for just under 20 bucks for this lawnmower, and you bring this in somewhere to get this sharpened, it's gonna be a lot more, and I can tell this is like dinged up and everything. So sometimes it's just time to get a new one, and honestly, I might always replace it if it's gonna be not worth the hassle of trying to take the blade off, bring it in somewhere, have them charge me 15 bucks, just my time and everything. When I'm looking at this, I have 3 rings here for mulching, and I don't see that here. I mean, this blade fits. It might just be, obviously different brand and such, but I'm hoping this is just gonna be even a better blade all by itself. So only time will tell. I'm gonna give this a really good cleaning. Encourage you guys to do the same before you change or after whatever you change your blade, because just a lot of caked on stuff. My mower was actually stalling on me this summer. Wasn't even wet grass, it was just really tall, and it would just get caked up in here so fast. And so I was thinking that maybe my mower, really dull blade, not mulching like it should, and just clogging everything up. So yeah, that's pretty much the process. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments down below in the comments. And then one more thing, before you flip it over, with this mower, the oil is separate from the gas, so it's not mixed. So I would always recommend flipping it on the opposite side of the oil. I wouldn't want that spilling. I'm not changing the oil right now, maybe unless you are and it's already empty. I went ahead and just drained a lot of it already, accidentally poured out, but I drained the rest of the gas. Might be a good job when you don't have much gas left in the mower anyway, but it will spill. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions below.